Hello, GED students. Fair warning. I tried to intimidate you, but this expression is much easier to simplify than it looks. Let's take a look. It says the square root of 27 over 3 plus the square root of 32 over 2. Now, according to the order of operations, I am supposed to start my simplifying with the insides of groupings. You might say, there's no groupings here, Kate. I don't see any parentheses. And I would say, well, actually there is, because if you look under this square root, yes, I have a fraction, but another way to think of a fraction is as an act of division. This is 27 divided by 3. And if I can do that division, why not do it and make my life easier? 27 does divide by 3. And so I will do that. 27 divided by 3 is 9. Now it's just the square root of 9 in that grouping. And of course, I'm going to save my addition till the very last. And 32 divided by 2 is 16. I have the square root of 16. So same thing. So I worked inside the grouping doing the division. Now, if it didn't divide perfectly, then I might take an alternative root, but it did. And so I can deal with those groupings first. Next step is exponents, and exponents include those little floating powers, but also the radicals. And so that's what I'm going to do next. I'm going to simplify these square roots. So starting with the square root of 9, I'm asking myself what number times itself equals 9? Well, that's 3. And then same thing with 16. What number times itself equals 16? Well, that's 4. And I haven't done my addition yet. I'll drop it down. Each line should be equivalent to the line before it. And now 3 plus 4 is 7. Nice. Hope that makes sense.